Hey guys, welcome to my channel Reflections. Today we are looking into Logitech's mechanical gaming keyboard, that's Logitech G512 SE, a special edition. Let's start with unboxing. It comes with a very standardized packing with a keyboard and a user manual inside. If I come to the design of this keyboard, it's very clean, very functional and a very well made design. Keys are very strong and the nice metal plate under the keycaps. Let me tell you, very nice color popping through these keycaps. The colors are really sharp and that I will show you in a moment. Let's come to the cable. Cable is little bit thick, but it's long enough to plug in with any monitor, computer or laptops. The USB cable is attached to the keyboard. It's fixed on the right side and it cannot be moved. Towards the end, there are two cables there. One cable powers your USB port and other cable powers the keyboard. Bottom is made up of plastic but very durable and solid. There are 6 rubber feet on the bottom. Also have 2 feet that popped out for more inclination. One thing that is super cool and amazing about this keyboard, and I think every keyboard should have it, is the little slit on the bottom of this keyboard. This can be used to route your headphone wire so it doesn't raise your keyboard in any way. Another cool thing is this USB pass-through on the side, and I found it really useful. I can plug in any device like my mouse, or I can use it for phone charging. It's really convenient. My experience with this keyboard is great, and as expected, it has a very nice feel to it while typing. The keyboard uses long howl blue switches. The blue switches are super clicky, which makes them little bit noisy at times. If you like clicky switches, this keyboard is a good choice for you. This is how it sounds like. That's blue switches and their clicky sound. The feedback is very good. You don't have to press the keys all the way down if you need to type fast. Let's talk about GHub Software to customize our keyboard. Once downloaded, double-click the app to open up, and this is how it looks like. Click on the keyboard and it will give you all the option to customize your keyboard. I'm not going in detail here, I'm just gonna show you an overview of GHub. You can choose presets like color wave effect like this. My personal favorite ripple effect looks like this. Freestyle is all about your own creation, just like I did mine. In animation, you can set your own pattern, just like this. You can also set up macros in the assignments and also the game mode setup through GHub. GHub is a very simple app to customize your keyboard. Just experiment and have fun. To sum up, let's have a look at some pros and cons. In my opinion, cons are only the personal preferences. If you don't mind these, this is your keyboard. Overall, I do recommend this keyboard. I bought it for $50 on sale, and believe me, you cannot go wrong with this price and quality. It will be a cool addition to your setup. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.